Welcome back to Travel Assurance NZ. If you are a worker with a job offer in New Zealand and you want to bring your partner and children with you, then this video is for you. I'm here to give you a clear, simple, and honest guide on how to apply for a partner of a worker work visa and visas for your dependent children. It's important to understand the basics. Your partner and children cannot be included in your main work visa application. They must apply for their own separate visas. The good news is that your work visa allows you to support their applications. In this video, I'll explain how a partner open work visa works, what documents you need to prove your relationship, and how to apply for your children's visas. This information is based on official rules from Immigration New Zealand. To make sure you don't miss any of the vital details that could help you with your application, please watch this video all the way to the end. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Assurance NZ. Your support helps me to keep creating useful content for you. Let's begin. The partner of a worker work visa. This visa allows your partner to join you in New Zealand. The great thing about this visa is that it is an open work visa, which means your partner can work for any employer in almost any job. This gives them a lot of freedom to find work once they arrive. To be eligible for this visa, you and your partner must meet these main requirements. 1. You must be in a genuine and stable relationship. This is the most important part. You and your partner must be living together in a real committed relationship. Immigration New Zealand will look for proof that your relationship is genuine and has been stable for some time. 2. Your partner must be an eligible visa holder. To support your partner's visa application, you must hold a work visa that is valid for 6 months or more. Your visa cannot have conditions that prevent you from supporting your family. 3. Your partner must meet health and character requirements. Just like with your visa, your partner will need to meet New Zealand's health standards and be of good character. This usually means providing police certificates from any country they have lived in for more than 5 years since they turned 17. 4. You must have a decent paying job. Depending on the type of work you do, your salary may also be a factor. For AEWV holders in ANSCO Skill Level 1, 3 jobs, you must earn at least the median wage to support your partner. If your job is ANSCO Skill Level 4 or 5, there are stricter rules and you may need to earn a higher wage or be in a green list role. How to prove your relationship. Proving your relationship is key. Immigration New Zealand will look for evidence that you and your partner have been living together and sharing your lives. The more proof you can provide, the stronger your application will be. You should provide a range of documents such as a marriage certificate or civil union certificate if you have one. Proof that you live together, like a joint rental agreement, joint mortgage documents, or bills with both of your names on them at the same address. Proof of shared finances, such as a joint bank account or joint credit cards. Photos of you both together, especially with family and friends. Any mail or emails addressed to both of you at the same address. A support letter from your partner explaining your relationship history and future plans. Applying for visas for your children. You cannot include your dependent children on your partner's visa application. They must apply for their own visas. The type of visa your children can apply for depends on their age and what they will be doing in New Zealand. Children 24 or younger, your dependent children 24 years old or under, can apply for a student visa or a visitor visa based on your relationship to them. If they are in a certain age range and you are in a specific visa category, they may even be able to attend school as a domestic student without paying international tuition fees. Children over 24. If your children are over 24, they cannot be included as dependent children on your temporary visa applications. They will need to find their own pathway to New Zealand. The most important documents you will need for your children's applications are their birth certificates and passports. You will also need to meet the health and character requirements for them. Who applies for the dependent children visas, you with the visa or your partner? The parent who holds the primary work visa is the one whose visa status is used to support the children's applications. However, either parent, you or your partner, can technically apply for the children's visas as their legal guardian. The key point is that the children's right to be in New Zealand is dependent on your work visa. Therefore, the application is linked to your visa details, but either you or your partner can fill out and submit the application forms on behalf of the children. It is often a joint effort between both parents to provide all the necessary documents and information. Steps to apply for a partner: open work visa and dependent children visas. To apply for a partner open work visa and dependent children visas in New Zealand, you must follow a specific sequence of steps. All applications are submitted online through the official Immigration New Zealand website. Your partner will need to apply for their visa online, and they will be the primary applicant on their own form. They will use your visa details and your evidence of relationship to support their application. They will also need to meet their own health and character requirements, which may involve providing medical certificates or police certificates, depending on where they have lived. Here is a simple and clear step-by-step guide. Step 1. Primary worker gets their visa. First, you, the primary worker, must apply for and receive your work visa. For example, the accredited employer work visa. Your family's applications are completely dependent on your visa being approved. Step 2. Gather all your documents. This is the most important part to avoid delays. You must have all the right documents ready for each application. For your partner's visa, you need strong proof that your relationship is real and stable. This includes documents like a marriage certificate, a joint bank account, shared bills, and photos of you together. For your children's visas, you need their passports and birth certificates to prove they are your children. Step 3. Partner applies for their visa. Your partner will apply for their partner of a worker work visa online. They will fill out their own application form and upload all the evidence of your relationship. They will link their application to your work visa details. The processing time for a partner of a worker work visa is typically around 3.5 weeks, but this can vary depending on the quality of the application and the workload of Immigration New Zealand. Step 4. Apply for your children's visas. You will submit a separate online application for each of your children. These applications will be for a dependent child visa, and they will be linked to your main work visa. You will need to upload their birth certificates and passports. The processing time for the dependent child visa is usually within 9 months. Step 5. Wait for a decision. After you submit and pay for all the applications, you must wait for Immigration New Zealand to make a decision. You can check the status of each application by logging into your online account. By following these steps in order, you will have a much smoother and clearer process. Visas for your partner and children will expire at the same time as your work visa. The easiest way to apply for all these visas is online through the official Immigration New Zealand website. I have provided links to all the relevant website pages in this video description. I hope this video has helped you understand the process a bit better. Bringing your family to New Zealand is a big step, and preparing your applications carefully is key to a smooth process. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Travel Assurance NZ, and share this video with anyone else who might be in a similar situation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.